Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today is finally a day that we are showcasing our trash to treasure. I had picked this up for my trash to treasure challenge. It is a rocking chair and I picked it up on Kijiji for $20. So first thing that I want to do is actually thank everybody who has joined me and Sandra on this challenge. And if you are not familiar what this challenge was about, is we were supposed to pick something up. The cost didn't matter, the size didn't matter. It could have been a tray, it could have been a piece of furniture from a secondhand outlet, so like thrift store, Kijiji, Facebook Marketplace, garage sale, anything that we it's a secondhand. So I had found mine, like I said, on Kijiji for $20, and I want to give it a new life so it matches my decor on my front porch. So like I said, again, thanks everybody who participated, and if you are here from the challenge playlist, welcome. My name is Sonia and I do lots of different types of videos. I do lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, a lot of furniture upcycling, a lot of DIYs, and then I just do some vlogs here and there, whether they're travel or weekly vlogs. But would love for you to stick around, press the subscribe button if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, press the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. Here are some of the materials that we'll be using. I will be using the Rustoleum chalk ultra matte paint in charcoal. This is a new paint for me. I usually always use Annie Sloan chalk paint, so I will let you know what I think of this paint comparing to Annie Sloan paint. I'll need a little sanding block. I love these are just from Home Depot. Lint-free rag, a paintbrush. I use the Legacy 100% white bristle. Not sure what that means, and I can't remember where I got this, whether it was at Home Depot or yeah, I can't remember. And I'm also going to be using the Annie Sloan soft wax in clear. So first I'm going to remove these and give a chair a good cleaning. And I'm just using water and vinegar spray. Now I'm going to sand it down anywhere, just in case if there's stuff stuck to it. Okay, now the chair is ready for a coat of paint. There was no other human being. So for the bottom, I'm just going to wet my paintbrush well and apply the paint that way. So I had finished the first coat. Now I'm gonna let it dry for about half an hour and apply the second coat. So I am ready for the second coat. So the second coat has been applied. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to distress it a little bit and wax. Now I'm going to distress certain areas. So I didn't want to go too much, just certain areas where the paint would rub off with wear and tear type of thing. And now I'm going to apply wax with a brush, and then once and take it off with a lint-free rag, and then I'm gonna give it 24 hours and I'm gonna buff it out. So here it is, all finished. I think it turned out really nice. My husband says it's not a keeper. I say it is definitely a keeper. We'll see who wins. I need to buy new pots, but just so you can see the detailing. I roughed it up in certain areas, and I think it just turned out absolutely gorgeous. So I would like to thank everybody who participated in this challenge, and make sure you check out everybody in the playlist. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, press that notification button so you don't miss out any of the new videos that I post. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.